If you struggle with mental illness, do not be ashamed. Society, movies, even our own parents at times have contributed to a huge misunderstanding of what mental illness is. Having struggles with depression, anxiety, or any mental illness for that matter is hard enough. Having to now also feel ashamed or inferior due to those struggles makes it feel almost impossible to cope with. I have helped numerous patients overcome the stigma related to their mental health. So here are a few misconceptions that the world needs to understand. The first thing to understand is that mental illness does not discriminate. Doesn't matter who you are, and it's estimated that it affects 1 billion people worldwide. Yes, that's with a B. Next, for some reason there's a misconception that those who seek treatment for their mental illness are somehow weak, and this couldn't be farther from the truth. Some of the most strong and inspiring people I have ever met have gone to seek care for their mental illness, and in fact, that is what requires true strength. The last misconception that I believe contributes to the stigma of mental illness is that folks with mental illness are often looked at as crazy or dangerous in some kind of way. You may be surprised to know that those who struggle with mental illness are actually more likely the victims of violence or craziness as opposed to the perpetrators. So for those of you who continue to work on improving your mental health, do not give up. By bringing attention to these misconceptions, we can break down the barriers created by the stigma and hopefully improve the world one person at a time.